Adding a comment to a cell in Excel is a very useful way for teammates to be able to collaborate quickly and effectively with each other. In this example, I am concerned that this exit date is not the correct date for this employee. I am now going to comment on it and ask a member of the HR team to be able to double check this date. To do this, click the cell, then right click New Comment. Here you can directly mention the person of the team you want to look into this. When you find who you want, click their name and add your comment. When you have it done, simply click on the green button here and that will send the comment directly to you. If you at any stage want to see what cells have comments over them, you will see a little icon in the top corner. When you hover over it, you will be able to see the message or any communications that have happened on this comment.